What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can make AI images for TikTok. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. Now, creating an AI or generating an AI images is pretty simple. For that, you just have to come to Google and search for Microsoft Copilot. Now, searching for Microsoft Copilot will bring up these websites. Just go to the first link, which should say copilot.microsoft.com. Here they will want you to log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, this is how you will be able to say it. Here, just simply search for whatever the thing that you want to create. So suppose I want to create an image of like font. So I'm just going to search me, create me an artistic image of font. So I'm just going to search for that and it will create an image according to my command. However, if you want to extend your image, suppose you have a photo and now you want to extend it with the help of AI. In that case, you can go to a different websites. So for the different website, you let me just show you the results for this thing first, and then we can move on to that. As you can see, it just created me that. You can click on that, you can save it, you can change the like aspects and stuff according to you. However, I was talking about some other things. So here you have to search for AI image extender. You just have to search for that and then you have to go to any of these websites according to you. Now PixArt is also providing you that and PixArt is actually famous. Just go to PixArt, upload an image, and as you can see, it will just extend the image and add some extra details from the AI using the AI. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.